It's raining. I don't like it. No. It's raining more. I don't like it. Again. It's raining. Oh, God. This child over here, like, slapping slime. You're so abusive towards your slime. Why? Alright, now you're putting it up because you don't want the people to see how you abuse it. So rude. It's still raining.
You know, Kylie, what we should do?
No, I don't.
I'm
It's
not
so
gonna tell
raining. Look at this nasty bucket full of water. So nasty. Sounds like somebody's peeing. Oh my God, it's starting to rain harder. No, I don't like it. Oh my God. Hey, I need some shaving cream in that slime. What the heck? It didn't even come off. The shaving cream doesn't even want to go in the slime. Oh my God, it's raining so hard! Why do you have to rain so hard? Why are we doing this out here? I don't get it. Alright, so she's cleaning up.